Hi guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 7a and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. At first unroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Security and Privacy and go to Device Lock. Click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock, and at first you need to set some backup. You can use pattern, pin code or the password. Obviously if you already have one you will not have to do it, but let me enter the pattern. And now it's time to manage your notification content. You can show all notification content, you can show sensitive content only, or you can hide everything, and this is what I would like to pick, and then click on Done. Now select Fingerprint Unlock, tap on More, and agree with everything, and then click on Start to enroll your fingerprint. So all you have to do is to keep tapping in the middle of the screen to enroll the whole fingerprint of yours. Just keep lifting up and place your fingerprint on the sensor to add it fully. And that's it. Click on Done, and as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device either with this fingerprint, or you can use the backup pattern that you set. So smoothly provide the pattern and it will also be unlocked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.